Are you dreaming of a beautiful freshwater aquarium, but worried it might be too hard or expensive to maintain? In this beginner's guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up and care for your very first tank. Freshwater aquariums bring relaxation and beauty to any space. Today we'll cover choosing tanks, equipment, fish selection, and easy maintenance. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Join our community. First, let's talk tanks. For beginners, bigger is better. A 20 to 30 gallon tank gives fish more room, makes water stable, and is easier to maintain than tiny bowls. Glass tanks are affordable and clear, while acrylic is lighter but more expensive. Choose what fits your space and budget. Essential equipment: a filter for clean water, heater for 74 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, thermometer, lighting, and water conditioner to make tap water safe. Choose equipment rated above your tank size for best results. Always rinse new equipment before installation. Setup is fun. Rinse gravel, create a slope for depth, add safe decorations, fill with dechlorinated water, install equipment and let it run. Cycling builds good bacteria that break down waste. This takes 4-6 weeks and is crucial. Skipping this step leads to sick fish. Choose hardy, peaceful species for your first tank. Great options include guppies, platies, mollies, tetras, cory catfish, and bettas. Start small with peaceful fish and add them slowly to avoid overwhelming your filter system. Feed only what fish can eat in 2 minutes, once or twice daily. Overfeeding ruins water quality fast. Do 25% water changes weekly with a gravel vacuum. Clean filter media in old tank water, never tap water. Common issues: cloudy water means overfeeding or cycling, algae, reduce light in feeding, sick fish, test water immediately. Setting up your first aquarium doesn't have to be complicated. With the right approach, you'll create a thriving underwater world to enjoy for years. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Share your first tank experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.